Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LSR254 doing a little much needed overdue cleaning on the truck. I guess you could say a detail. But of course, with my schedule, it's gonna break down. It's not gonna all be at once. So why not film it? So these are my flow mats. Never been touched. And when I say never been touched, I'm talking about since 17. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this super clean, spread it on there. I'm gonna agitate it with the brush and get everything pretty good. While we got the mats out, they're gonna need to dry. We ain't gonna be able to put them right back in, but it'll be good to go. So, using our M12 brush, like I said, keeping it wet. That's the key to making sure the bristles last. So you can see what we got after the first pass. That thing look a little bit more brighter, don't it? That's the before. That's the after. I think I can tell the difference. Alright, so we got them both cleaned up. Now you can kind of say we're gonna let gravity and gravity in the air dry them off. Next thing I'm finna look at is just use something to wipe these, clean these dope handles up with. First, clean them. If you look closer, you can see how it's dirty. We're gonna clean it up, and then we'll put some protectant on it. All right, so as you can see, got the doors cleaned up. And this is all you use in super clean. Some people might be like, oh, you shouldn't use it on certain stuff. And they might be right, but this is what I got. So this is what I'm using. I missed that little seal up there. It just kind of stick out with it being dry. So we're gonna hit the dash, steering wheel, and everything up there. Wipe down all of that. I think we missed something over here. Missed the keyhole. How we gonna miss the keyhole, my boy? Gotta make sure that thing right. That's where the keys go. That's where the keys go. But yeah, overall, much better. Much better. Need to give me some new black trees. Them other trees ain't treeing like they treed in the beginning. Ain't no telling how long they've been in there. No telling. The detail people know they'll get down off in there with like a toothpick or whatever. We just doing nice general level 1, I'ma call it a level 1 LS detailing. So everything up front looking good. I went ahead and started wiping down this door. Got a couple things on it, but overall, more better. All right, so now we got the seats. The seats is all the way up. Ain't no way you can get in there if you wanted to. Goddamn all that space. Finna get ready to pull this one out the back. Finna get the trash, etc., etc. All that mess out of here. And then we're gonna vacuum. So I just be having all kind of shit. Got car parts. Y'all know I use them other bump stops on the Cutlass, so I had to buy me some more. And still ain't made it in the house. I need to put them with the Capri stuff before I forget where they at. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna get down here with the vacuum. We're gonna do the same thing on this. We're gonna pull this up out of here, spray it down, and clean it up, let it dry, and then put it back in. It might be ready by tomorrow. We're gonna find out. It's already dark. We done lost our power, cooling power, or whatever of the sun, but we can blow it off with some water. There's so much room back here with the seats all the way up. I don't know what the hell that is. Probably just something to one of them cars. That shit trash now. It looked like it was a brace. Probably for an alternator or something like. Alright, so we gonna roll that on over like that. And then get that out there and get it cleaned up. Yes, sir. Alright, so we done got everything vacuumed out, cleaned out. Just gotta get some razor blade and some gunk down off in there. Let that sizzle in your spirit for a minute. I'm talking about shit. So we're gonna take same super clean. We're gonna go over here. Back to our little thing, which I mean, there haven't been a whole lot of traffic in the back, but we still want to make sure we get it cleaned up. Definitely some dirt and stuff going on there. Probably for some of the kids and spill. Alright, so let me get my brush and water and get busy. So I don't know what happened, man. I got a little bit of water on my Milwaukee, and now that shit won't say nothing. It won't say nothing. I don't know. I thought it was a battery, so I changed it over to this battery. That one's fully charged. Took the battery off, blew it out with the air. So let me see what it is that I can do. It's Modelo time, man. Anyway, got the other flow mats right there. Finish air drying. The other one is over here, drying. I'll probably just end up finishing blowing that one off and putting it back in the truck. Those front ones ready to go though. Ready to go. Yeah. See, I got it all cleaned up. Rugs ready to go in. So, I'll scoot these back ones back. Put the other ones in, and that'll pretty much do it. other than for me getting my junk out of here. And then we will proceed to the end. Tomorrow I'm gonna take it to get it washed. Well, I'll probably drive it through some shit, man. But it's been very, very, very filthy. Very filthy, man. So yeah, let me get the mask back in there. I'll cut y'all back on.